This is a relay. It uses electromagnetic coil which allow us to close and open circuit even in a high voltage condition. Here plus and minus are for powering the relay and S is for providing signal to it. On the other side, COM is the port where power line is to be connected. After that, appliances can be controlled with two ports which are NO and NC. We are also using S605 which is a popular Bluetooth module. While connecting the RX and TX to the pin, put them alternatively. It means TX of the module to the RX of the board and vice versa.